All right, well, what is a way we can rewrite this without the double events and it's still refactored and efficient? Well, let's do something kind of cool and unique and practice some JavaScript while doing it. We could do refactor attempt number 2. And what we'll do is we can create instead a function called update the preview box. And we can call it whatever we want. And this could be a variable called where, or an argument called where, and this could be the value. And so what we'll do is now I'm going to comment this out, and what we'll have here is update the preview box. We want to show the preview box. Anytime this function gets called, we're going to want to update the preview box. We will want to figure out where to send. So fortunately for us, where to send is already going to be an argument that's being passed, so we don't need this. And then we just need this last line, which says find the letter preview, figure out where it's going to be sent, which is now just where, and then the value is going to be this. Pretty easy. It's nothing even complex there. So all we would have to do at this point would be form select on change function, and we could call this update the preview box, where is going to be this data where to send, and then the value is just going to be this val. Pretty straightforward, and we can repeat this for the other, which was the text area. And this is a different type of event, so we're going to swap it out to input. Hit refresh here, and maybe that's another way to do it. Let's see if it works. I love you works. Want to say what up, yo, and the spam works. Does the messaging work? And I want to make sure that when we're logging these events, that there's no doubles, it's totally normal. 1, 2, 1. Yep, it works. So maybe that's another way. I'm sure you guys can probably rework this to be even more efficient, and you can, if you'd like, for good practice. But I'm going to wrap up there and kind of jump over to the next lesson.